Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this egg garland I got from Dollar Tree, as well as this 4.7-inch styrofoam ball from Hobby Lobby. I start by making a hole in the styrofoam with a screwdriver and then placing in my dowel. I then remove all of the eggs from the garland and hot glue them around the styrofoam ball. Once that is all filled in, I'm taking this moss and hot gluing it in between the eggs. You can do the moss first, but you'll use a lot more doing it first. This way you're not using as much, just going around the eggs. And then I'm just using a thin craft stick to push it in between the eggs that are closer. And I do that all the way around until it's completely filled in. I had removed the dowel and I'm taking burnt umber acrylic paint and applying it with a baby wipe. It'll give it a more stained appearance. I then hot glue that back into place and set that aside for now. And then I'm taking this terracotta pot that I got from Dollar Tree and painting that with Plaster colored chalk paint by Waverly. I painted the entire outside as well as a little bit of the inside. I take some twine and I wrap it around the rim and just knot that, leaving the tails a little bit long. Next, I'm making a flower just using this 2.5-inch burlap ribbon I got from, it was either Walmart or Dollar Tree. I then take needle nose pliers and I'm pulling out all of those longer strings, adding Mod Podge to the edge of each side, and that's to keep those other shorter pieces from falling out. Once I have that completely covered on both sides, I fold it in half and then just wrap it around onto itself. And then once I get that closed up, I hot glue that end into place. I then just take those strings and spread them apart so it looks like a flower. And then I'm hot gluing that onto the knot of the twine on the pot. And then just trimmed up those tails. Next, I'm taking this foam and just trimming that down so it'll fit within the pot. I add some hot glue into the bottom and push that in, and then just cut away the excess. I make a hole with a screwdriver, and then I'm taking these fairy lights I got from Amazon, and I just wrap the end of it around one of the eggs and then just keep wrapping it all the way around until I have lights throughout. I then hot glue the battery pack on to the moss, which will be the back of the decor, so you won't see it from the front. And then hot glue some moss onto the foam within the pot. And then add some hot glue in the center where I had pre-made that hole and place that dowel in there. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.